Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making something new from Pillsbury. It's a pink vanilla cake donut mix. So I'm going to be making these donuts, and these donuts you can either bake them, air fry them, or deep fry them. I am going to be baking them today. Okay guys, so the ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of water. And also for the icing, it's requiring 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Okay guys, so in the box it was a package with the icing and also our donut cake mix, and it also has sprinkles through them. So next we're going to grab a large bowl. We're going to put our eggs into it, our 1/3 cup of milk, and our 1/2 cup of water. And all we're going to do is whisk that together until it's well combined. Next, we're going to add our donut mix, and we're just going to stir that until it's well blended. Once you have combined your donut mix, all we're going to do is set that to the side. And here I have my tin for the donuts. And all I'm going to do is spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, once the donut pan is sprayed, I got a glass and I put a piping bag in. All I'm going to do now is add my donut mix into the piping bag. Okay guys, once your piping bag is filled, all I'm going to do is pull it out, cut opening on the tip, and we're going to begin to fill our donut molds up. We're only going to fill them 2/3 of the way. Okay guys, as you can see, I started to pipe in my donut mix. I'm going to do that for each mold. Okay guys, you want to set your oven to 375 degrees. I had extra donut batter, so I just made some mini donuts also. So we're going to put them in our oven for 10 to 11 minutes. Okay guys, our 11 minutes is up and our donuts are done. All I'm going to do now is let them cool off for about 5 to 10 minutes before I remove them from the pan and transfer them over to our wire cooling rack. Okay guys, so I removed the donuts from the donut tins and just sat it on a wire cooling rack. Now we're going to make the icing. Okay guys, next I'm going to go ahead and pour the packet that we have for the donut glaze, and I have 3 tablespoons of milk. Just going to pour that in there and mix until well combined. Okay guys, once your glaze is done, we're going to grab a donut, and all we're going to do is twist it on there and sit it back onto the cooling rack. And we're going to do that for each one of them. Okay guys, once you've glazed all your donuts, you want to just let them sit for a minute or so until the excess glaze comes off. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Pillsbury pink vanilla glazed donuts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Please feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.